Arizona's Patrick Corbin, 8-1 with a 1.50 ERA at home this season, entering Friday's matchup with the Mets. Top two, Marlon Byrd leading off the frame, and a rocket one deep to center field. It goes off a railing and caroms back into the field of play. Martin Prado comes over to play the baseball. Byrd is thinking about an inside-the-park home run. Prado gets it into Aaron Hill, and the relay throw home is in time as Will Nieves applies the tag. Byrd is out, and the Mets don't score in the frame. Bottom five now, the game is tied at 1 after 2 straight doubles from Arizona, and Prado will start that play at the plate. Will have a double of his own. This one comes off Jeremy Hefner, and it drives home Adam Eaton. Arizona takes his first lead of the game at 2-1. Top six, the Mets have 2 on and 1 out for Justin Turner, and Turner will bounce a single into left field off of Corbin. That scores Daniel Murphy, and the Mets tie the game at 2. 2 batters later, there are 2 on and 2 out for John Buck, but Corbin strikes him out looking. The lefty is done after 6. He allows 2 earned runs and strikes out 4. Bottom 6 now, the D-backs threaten against Hefner. They have 2 on and nobody out for Will Nieves.
Pulls it down the line and left. That's a fair ball. Aaron Hill will score. Cody Ross right behind. Nieves heads for second, and he is safe. 4-2 Diamondbacks.
3 consecutive hits to begin the inning knock Hefner from the game after 5+. 8th inning now. Heath Bell on the mound for Arizona. He's already allowed a run to make it 4-3. And with 2 on and 1 out, Wilmer Flores, the rookie, will ground out to the right side. Marlon Byrd scores on the play. The Mets get 2 runs off of Bell and tie the game up at 4. But in the 9th inning, with the game still tied, Paul Goldschmidt steps to the plate against Mets reliever Scott Atchison.
Driven to right field. Marlon Byrd at the wall. Diamondbacks get their 7th walk-off win on Paul Goldschmidt's 27th home run this season.
5-4 Arizona is your final. Goldschmidt collects his 2nd career walk-off home run and his 3rd career walk-off hit overall. Patrick Corbin falls short of win number 13. Brad Ziegler delivers a clean 9th inning and picks up the win in relief.